Hey everybody, Sharon here, and I got to show you what I found underneath my woven weed fabric. My name is Sharon Peterson, and welcome. The other day I posted a video about my disappointment when I pulled up some woven weed fabric and found it was very, very dry underneath. This is the row back here. I had last fall piled leaves. I pulled back the woven weed fabric this fall just to see what was going on underneath it. And apparently that weed fabric is not draining water in there very much because it's not hardly decomposed at all. The leaves are not. So I pulled it off intending to plant a cover crop, and guess what I found underneath? Two surprises. So the first one is actually a good one. It's kind of gross, so if bugs gross you out, just, fast forward. This is the remains of a tomato hornworm with wasp eggs, I guess it's eggs, larvae, implanted in it. This is kind of the remains of it. It's not alive anymore. There's a parasitic wasp that lays its eggs in the tomato hornworms and kills it, and so that's a good thing. We like those wasps. I'm gonna have to research and find out if those wasps are like ones that sting. I don't think so, but don't know much about them except they kill tomato hornworms, and so that's good. The other thing is kind of scary. Let me show you what I found. I'm gonna turn my camera around here. I found not one, but two snake skins. So let me grab this snake skin. Well, it broke in half. But this is a good sized snake. At least I think it is. Now I know snakes are good for the garden. This is probably a harmless snake. I don't mind having snakes in my garden, but I don't want to be surprised by snakes in my garden. And if snakes are living underneath this weed fabric, I'm going to think twice about how I'm handling that. Oh, I'm going to have to mull that over a little bit. Don't mind having snakes. I don't want to be surprised by them. So anyway, if you're using woven weed fabric, just be aware that when you pull it up, there may be things underneath there. I am just really, really super glad that there wasn't an actual snake underneath it, because I probably would have screamed like a girl, which I am, and jumped. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and plant my cover crop. I'm just using green beans that I had some seeds that I was trying to save, and they got wet and they started sprouting, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. I did a video on that also. I'll put a link to that down in the description below and maybe here in the video. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'm going to finish my work here. We'll talk to you in the next video.